Alright, so for anybody following along at home, out in the woods again, got a fresh piece of fire cord. I'm going to show you how great this stuff is and how it will take a spark from a ferro rod. So hang in there. Oh, unless you do that. Well, that's a bit of humor to the day. Now if only I could find the piece of fire cord. Oh, there it is. That was awesome. Good job, me. There. Oh. Come on, baby. Go, go. And there she goes. So yeah, other than my hijinks with dropping it, what did that take? Took me less than a minute. Good old Bear Grylls fire rod. Still doing the business. Alright, thanks everybody. See you in a bit. Bye.